Welcome in, everyone. We're driving to Kansas to see the world's biggest easel. So enjoy the trip, sit back, grab some popcorn, and let's begin. So I didn't do much recording the first part of the trip. It's kind of boring, the 15 going into Nevada up into Vegas. But we made it to Vegas, and here we are, Buffalo Bills. Well, I jumped the gun a little bit, but we had a few more miles down the road before we hit downtown Las Vegas. Here's Ruby enjoying the trip. Well, I hope so. She looks happy. I'm not sure if they took the Welcome to Las Vegas sign down, but I couldn't find it, but here we are. I passed the Golden Knight Stadium, which I thought was pretty cool. I made it into Utah. Enjoy the nice scenery. I tried to record as much as I could, but it was kind of hard driving by myself. So I pushed my way up to 15 North till I hit the I-70. I took the I-70, I believe, east into Colorado. So enjoy. I drove all day and decided to sleep, so this is where I slept in Colorado. It was so cool. It was about 57 degrees. Here's the setup. Before the trip, I had to get new tires on the RAV4, so here they are. After my 2-hour nap, I continued on the I-70 east and enjoyed the scenery. I stopped off a couple times, so here we go. It was a really nice place I found on the road on the I-70, so enjoy the nice river sound. After this, I drove a little bit down the road and found this cool little town with this cool park. So get ready to check out the beaver dam. Here's a little funny thing that happened. My camera fell over, so watch me struggle. So this was a tunnel through a mountain in Colorado. I thought it was pretty cool, so enjoy me driving through the tunnel. After the mountains, we continued in Colorado, got on some planes, and headed towards Kansas. I sure did miss that 57 degrees up in the mountains. It got almost 98 degrees and continued to climb and drop throughout the day. We made it into Kansas. Now let's go to the biggest easel, and here we are. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and join me on my adventure touring the Midwest. We made it. This is in Kansas, you guys, off the 70, exit 17, I believe. It's hot. It's like 100 degrees.